Welcome to the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring structures ever built by human hands. For centuries, this incredible monument has captivated the minds of scientists, historians, and curious visitors alike. And today, we're going to delve into the mystery and explore the secrets of the Great Pyramid. Built over 4,500 years ago, the Great Pyramid was an engineering marvel of its time. It's estimated that it took over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing several tons, to build this massive structure. But the real mystery lies in how the ancient Egyptians were able to build this without the use of modern technology. One theory is that the Egyptians used a system of ramps and pulleys to move the blocks into place. But this doesn't fully explain how they were able to lift the blocks to such great heights. Another theory is that the Egyptians had some form of levitation or anti-gravity technology that allowed them to move the blocks with ease. But this is purely speculation and lacks any concrete evidence. One thing we do know is that the Great Pyramid was built with incredible precision. The blocks were cut to an accuracy of less than a millimeter, and the angles of the pyramid's sides are so precise that they deviate by less than half a degree. But why was the Great Pyramid built with such precision? Some believe that it was an astronomical observatory, while others think it was a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu. But there may be another reason entirely. Recent research has shown that the Great Pyramid may have been built to harness the natural energy of the Earth itself. The pyramid's shape and alignment with the stars may have been designed to amplify and focus this energy, creating a sort of power plant. Could the Great Pyramid have been a source of energy for the ancient Egyptians? And if so, how did they harness this energy? The mystery of the Great Pyramid continues to baffle and intrigue us, and it's up to us to uncover the secrets that lie within. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Who knows what mysteries lie waiting to be discovered? Please subscribe to our channel to watch this kind of shorts.